But it's not as simple as just spending time with nature. Part of what my other love is teaching people how to express themselves. And of course, my favorite is just being in nature and expressing myself. I even love, in a gentle rain, to spend time doing what I'd call watercolor. So as a result, it's about not only the arts, but the art making process and creative expression where you do not need any training or background. But it's also coming from a place where you are touched deeply by experiences in the environment and that you get to have a place to express them. And sometimes we express them through sound or movement. Sometimes we do some drawings or expressive writing. This process allows us to take these deep feelings and this amazing reconnective work and have a place to put it that is part of our need to express ourselves fully.